What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you want to build real upper body and core strength at home without a full gym membership, a power tower is honestly one of the best pieces of equipment you can buy. Pull-ups, dips, push-ups, and leg raises all in one compact station. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best power towers on Amazon in 2026. From a solid 450-pound home unit to a heavy-duty 800-pound commercial-grade frame. I'll cover the specs, what each one's actually best for, the pros and cons, and my pick at the end depending on your strength level and space. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pull-Up Bar Power Tower Dip Station, 450 pounds. This power tower dip station supports up to 450 pounds with 11 height adjustments and supports pull-ups, dips, knee raises, push-ups, and versatile full-body strength training. Having 11 distinct height adjustments is a genuinely strong range of customization, letting you fine-tune the station for your exact height and the specific exercise you're doing, rather than settling for a one-size-fits-most fixed height. A 450-pound weight capacity is also solid for the vast majority of home users, comfortably covering body weight training even with added weight vests or resistance bands for progressive overload. Pros: 11 height adjustments for precise customization. Solid 450-pound weight capacity, supports a wide range of exercises, versatile full-body training in one compact unit. Best pick if you want a well-rounded, adjustable home power tower without paying for commercial-grade capacity you don't need. Number 2. RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Power Tower. The RELIFE Power Tower is a freestanding home gym station combining a dip station and pull-up station built as multifunction fitness equipment for pull-ups, dips, push-ups, and full-body strength training. Being genuinely freestanding is worth calling out specifically, since it means no wall mounting or drilling is required at all. You can place it anywhere with enough floor space and move it later if needed, which is a real advantage for renters or anyone who doesn't want to commit to permanent installation. RELIFE has also built a solid, trusted reputation specifically in the home fitness equipment space, and this model keeps things simple and multifunctional without overcomplicating the design. Pros: genuinely freestanding, no wall mounting required, multifunction design covers pull-ups, dips, and push-ups, simple, straightforward setup, good general home fitness value. Best pick if you want a simple, genuinely freestanding power tower without any wall mounting hassle. Number 3. Power Tower Pull-Up Bar Freestanding, 400 pounds, 13 height. This freestanding power tower offers 13 height adjustments, supports pull-ups, knee raises, push-ups, and full-body strength training with a 400-pound weight capacity. 13 height adjustments is the most granular customization range on this entire list, giving you extremely fine control over positioning for pull-ups, dip bars, and push-up handles specifically tailored to your height and exercise style. While the 400-pound weight capacity is slightly lower than our first pick, that difference is unlikely to matter for the vast majority of home users, and the extra adjustment granularity is a genuinely meaningful trade-off for anyone who wants the most dialed-in fit possible. Pros: most height adjustment options on this list at 13 settings. Freestanding design, no wall mounting needed. Covers pull-ups, knee raises, and push-ups. Solid 400-pound capacity for most users. Best pick if you want the most precise, dialed-in height customization available on this list. Number 4. Heavy-Duty Power Tower, 800 pounds, light commercial-grade frame. This heavy-duty power tower features a light commercial-grade steel frame with an 800-pound weight capacity, multifunction pull-up bar and dip station, and a crunch leg raise attachment for back and core workouts. That massive 800-pound weight capacity is genuinely double what most of the other power towers on this list offer, making this the clear choice for larger or stronger users or anyone planning serious weighted pull-up and dip progressions down the line. Light commercial-grade steel construction also signals real durability beyond typical home gym-grade materials, built to handle more frequent, heavier use without flexing or wearing down as quickly. Pros: massive 800-pound weight capacity, the highest on this list. Light commercial-grade steel frame for serious durability. Dedicated crunch leg raise attachment for core work, built for repeated, heavy use. Best pick if you're a larger or stronger user or if you're planning serious weighted strength progressions over time. Number 5. FLYBIRD 800 pounds heavy-duty power tower. The FLYBIRD Power Tower offers an 800-pound weight capacity, adjustable height, a pull-up stand with a crunch leg raise attachment, and multifunction strength training equipment built for home gym back workouts. This matches the same impressive 800-pound capacity as our fourth pick, but adds genuine height adjustability into that heavy-duty equation, giving you both maximum durability and load capacity alongside the customization you'd normally get from the lighter-duty adjustable towers earlier on this list. FLYBIRD has also built a solid, trusted reputation specifically in home fitness equipment, which adds confidence when you're investing in a higher capacity piece of gear. Pros: matches the highest 800-pound capacity on this list, genuine height adjustment combined with heavy-duty build, trusted FLYBIRD home fitness brand, includes crunch leg raise attachment. Best pick if you want the durability and capacity of a heavy-duty frame without sacrificing height adjustability. Quick recap: best all-around adjustable home starter, the 450-pound Power Tower Dip Station. Simplest genuinely freestanding option, the RELIFE Power Tower. Most precise height adjustment, the 13-height freestanding Power Tower. Maximum capacity and commercial-grade durability, the 800-pound heavy-duty Power Tower. Best heavy-duty option with adjustability, the FLYBIRD 800 pounds Power Tower. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more home fitness breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which one you're picking. See you in the next one.